Sup dirty homo, go take a fucking bath bitch, you're as dirty as my butthole.
Go lick a hairy nutsack and tell it feels good when you're done. Y'all laugh all you want bitch, but I am in a love relationship with Alec.
Alec is gay, he looks like a homo.
You're just jealous I got a sexy boyfriend.
Haha, really? Go take a shower, fidget, before I take your clothes off and lick you anywhere, even the balls.
You are a gay homo who likes little Alex.
Shut up, whore. I hope you fall out of a helicopter and land with your mouth on your dick.
Bitch